dry on Sunday.
There is a house in San Leandro which is getting a lot of attention because of the huge Halloween display in its front yard. Pound Force Daniel Villarreal shows us how one resident is really into the spirit of Halloween.
It's this giant skeleton riding a motorcycle that's created a spectacle on Estudillo Avenue in San Leandro. This is the fourth year Antonio Cardenas and his wife have set up a display in their yard. In the past, they've had pirate ships, haunted castles, and even a horse-drawn carriage driven by a skeleton. The idea for the display was to help advertise the Cardenas' real estate business. And with over 2,000 kids showing up last Halloween, the idea is working. All day long, Antonio greets folks who pull over for a peek and hands them a brochure with the photo of this year's display and some information about the Cardenas' real estate business. Cardenas says it's helped his business during some of the toughest times in the real estate business.
We sent people to the website to see how we did it, and the result of that is we were able to sell a few properties that we couldn't sell. So the idea was doing a promotion and at the same time getting the community a little bit, enthusiastic about the holiday season.
And this skeleton isn't just for Halloween. Cardenas says after the 31st, he and his wife will transform the motorcycle rider into a Christmas display that will stay up to the new year. After that, he hopes to sell the display and donate the money to a local food bank. In San Leandro, Daniel Villarreal,